Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through a few keyboard shortcuts that can help speed up your navigation and make managing work orders more efficient. First, press question mark. You'll see two separate columns, one for the navigation and two for work order actions. In this video, we'll focus first on the navigation. To quickly move through the list of work orders, you can use the keyboard. Press J to scroll down and K to scroll up. If you want to view more details, simply press Enter. This will toggle selected row open or close. For faster navigation, and press G once to go to the last row. You can also press the / key to quickly toggle to the search bar, allowing you to start typing immediately. If you need to clear a current selection, simply press ESC. These shortcuts are designed to make navigation faster and improve your overall workflow. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with them to get the most out of the portal. Thank you for watching.